Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 12. Can't record voice and mic is not working.
Noise. Hello.
Let's get started. Disassembling the phone. Removing the motherboard. Removing soft protectors. Place it in a layered heating system to disassemble the layered motherboard. Now we will rub all these ICs. Applying paste. Removing the IC through a hot gun. Removing another one. Cleaning the connectors through soldering wires. Installing ICs. Assembling the layers through a layered heating system. Assembling the phone. Turning on the phone.
Hello. Hello.
And that's it. We've successfully resolved the iPhone 12 audio mic problem. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.